Hi, I am Venkatesh, Assistant Professor in EC Department at Raguni College of Engineering and Technology. Now we are going to see a topic in Principles of Management. The topic title is Motivation. So what is motivation? Motivation is the process by which a person affect and energized, direct and sustained towards attaining a goal. So motivation is like energy is a measure of intensity, drive and vigor. Motivation effects in channeled in direction that benefits the organization. Motivation we want to employ to present in putting the forth of effect. So your motivation is an important function of a management. Motivation or motive means want, need, impulse or drive. Motive is internal of a person in managerial activity. Motive promotes a person into an action. Human motives are based on needs where they subconsciously or subconsciously the need may be a primary or secondary. A motive is an internal force that energizes or activates the direct behavior towards the goal. Motivation is the general term applying to the entire class of drives, needs, desires. Motivation is the force that energizes behavior, gives directions to behavior. This definition expresses that in order to achieve goals, the individual must be significantly stimulated. The leading function of a management involves influencing others to work towards organizational goal. Motivation is an important aspect of that particular function. So, in definition for the motivation is defined by different authors of managerial parameters in different ways. The next nature of motivation. A motivation is an unending process. It is a psychological concept. It is concerned with each and every individual of an organization. It is always hampered for fluctuations. Motivation leads to goals. It works on a unifying force. Motivation may be positive or negative. Motivation may be intrinsic or extrinsic. Motivation may be financial and non-financial. So next, benefits of motivation by managing activities. So it gives a higher efficiency, it improves the work moral activities, it reduces absenteeism, it reduces employee turnover, it improves the corporate images, it will use a create a good relationship among the people who are working in an organization, it's reduce the cost of process, facilitates initiatives and innovative innovation functions, job satisfaction. So type of motivation is generally classified into two types. So one is intrinsic motivation and another one is extrinsic motivation. So intrinsic motivations is interest, enjoyment, satisfaction, autonomy and meaning. For extrinsic motivation means it will refers rewards, pressure to perform, competition, compliances, ego involvement. So next we are going to see the motivational theories. The important theories in represents to motivations are Maslow's need hierarchy theory. Second, Herbert's two factors theory. Third, McGraw's theory X and theory Y. Fourth, McClelland achievements theory of motivation. So first we have to see McGraw's theory X and theory Y. So first theory X. So theory X means the assumption that the employee dislikes to work and they are more lazy, they are not give dislikes for responsibilities and much be concerned to perform. Similarly, in theory Y, these here the employees are more enjoying to work and they are more creative, they are more responsibility and they can set a self-satisfied direction. So next theory is Maslow's hierarchy theory or otherwise referred as need theory. So one of the most popular theory of motivation in hierarchy of need theory. So it is developed by American psychologist Abraham Maslow and popularized by Maslow's need hierarchy theory. So this theory states was developed in the year 1960s. According to him, motivation of human beings as rising from the level of hierarchy of needs. Maslow suggests a number of interesting things about the human needs. Maslow suggested that most of the human needs can be grouped into five categories. So here, in the Maslow becomes the assumption that any given situation, human behaviors or performance tends to reflect a particular need of individualism of the particular situation. So here, the Maslow, the basic needs of human needs, which is referred as first one, psychological need, second one, safety need, third one, belongingness or love needs, fourth one, esteem needs, and fifth one, self-actualization need. So here, first one is the psychological need. So here, psychological need means the basic need. Here, so every worker or every employee they have need food, water, rest, place, and warmth. Next, safety needs. Safety means security and safety. Fourth one, belongingness and love needs. Here, intermediate relationships and friendship among the workers will give a good environment. Esteem needs, prestigious and feelings of their accomplishment. Self-actualizations. The next theory is Herbert's two-factor theory. So it is another psychologist, Frederick Herberts, interviewed accounts of engineering workings in a certainty. He asked them to relate their situations in which they felt a particular goods. So according to him, a job which analyzing should a data should be stored. So factors that seem to make a individual feel satisfied with their jobs were associated with the concern of that particular job. Motivating factors which includes sense of achievements, sense of responsibilities, sense of work itself, sense of recognition, advancements of opportunities, personal growth, and so on. So here the factor that seems to make an individual which feels dissatisfied were according to the job context. So the factor which terms to be a hygienic factor or maintenance factor. Hygienic factor provides a non-motivation, but they need several preferences of money and efficiency. The factors which are essential to reasonable levels of satisfaction among these employees is. So they do not motivate, but it provide a good working conditions. The factors which will be element associated with the conditions of surrounding the particular job. Next, hygiene factor. The hygienic factor which will provide a pay, salary, working condition, supervision, company policies and administration, benefits, status, security, internal relationship with peer and supervisors. So here the Herbert's two-factor theory which will gives a hygienic of maintaining the necessary of maintaining a standard level of satisfaction among the employee. The factors cannot motivating them to their absence of creating of satisfactions, which will force the existing to the job. Herbert's which will gives the motivation factors according to the intrinsics of the job and is also same as that of the extrinsics of uncertainty performance of an employee to grow. According to Herbert's two-factor theory, tomorrow hygienic factor theory because stops influencing. So providing a factors to reduce source of work dissatisfaction. Comparisons between Maslow's need theory and Herbert's motivational theory. First, Maslow's need theory: self-actualization and fulfill need by an employee. Esteem and social needs. The employee needs safety and security needs. Employees needs belongings and social needs, psychological needs. Similarly, for Herbert's motivational two-factor theory, here it will be classified into two sectors. One is maintenance factor and another one is motivational factor. In motivational factors, here the worker itself achievement possibilities of growth and responsibilities, advancement, recognitions, and status. In maintenance factors, interpersonal relationship with the supervisions and subordinates, technical supervision, company policies, job security, working conditions, salary, and personal life. Thank you.